Ever wished you could run full Windows or Linux games right on your Android device? Introducing XoDos Emulator, the game-changing tool that fuses the power of Wine, Linux, and advanced GPU drivers into one compact Android app. Whether you want to run classic PC games or full desktop environments, XoDos turns your phone into a portable powerhouse. And the best part? It's completely open source and free. Let's dive into everything XoDos can do and how you can get it running today. So, what exactly is XoDos? In simple terms, it's an Android-based environment that allows you to run full Windows applications and Linux systems on your phone or tablet. It uses Wine to run Windows apps, Termux and Prut to simulate a Linux file system, and custom GPU drivers like Turnip to enhance performance. You also get access to a desktop environment like XFCE, making it feel like a real PC, just pocket-sized. With this setup, you can run classic PC games, productivity software, or even experiment with Linux development tools directly on Android. Let's start with the installation process. First, go to the official GitHub page, which is the main hub for downloading the emulator. Scroll down to the Releases section. It'll take you to another page. Keep scrolling until you see the assets. Download the XoDos Emulator. While I'm making this video, version 5.10 is the latest one. The file is about 1 GB, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a little while. Once the download is complete, install the app. You might get a warning that the app has a virus. It's your choice whether to continue or not, but this is just a Google Play warning because it's an unknown app not from the Play Store. And you're done. It's installed. When you launch the app again, it will ask for permissions like storage access and notifications. Grant them, and it will start downloading some system files. If the app crashes afterward, just reopen it. Before you click Start, let's tweak a few settings. Tap on Preferences, and a menu will open. You can adjust options like resolution. Select Exact, and choose the lowest resolution. Of course, it depends on your device specs. Also, enable the Enable Floating Menu option. This creates a floating icon on your screen with many helpful tools. Since regular Android buttons don't work well in this emulator, this icon becomes your main control hub. Let me explain what each floating button does. Tap the gear icon to open or close configuration settings. The top icon opens the Linux terminal, showing system info like your Android version, XoDos version, Linux kernel, and more. You can even enter commands. The monitor icon with an X closes the current desktop. The keyboard icon activates the keyboard. Tap it, then press your phone's back button to use it. To disable, just tap the icon again. The gamepad icon enables touch controls for games, just like winlator. What's great is it includes several preset profiles, even one for GTA 5, which winlator doesn't have. The graph icon opens the task manager. And yes, for those who doubted, Termux is actually running in the background. When you click Start, you'll see options to launch the desktop, open the browser and apps, start Wii versions for games, or launch the Xbox emulator. Now tap on XoDos. A notice will appear asking you to choose the acceleration method, CPU, hardware, or VirGL. Here's my advice. If you have a Mali processor, choose CPU or VirGL. If you have a Snapdragon, go with hardware acceleration. I tested all three and found that hardware works best with Snapdragon. Once you choose, the desktop will load with all features. This video briefly explains how to install and set up XoDos. In the next video, I'll show you how to install games using Wine, set up controls, and apply the best settings. XoDos isn't just another emulator, it's a full virtual desktop environment built for Android. With it, you can explore, create, and play like never before. Whether you're launching classic PC titles or testing Linux applications on the go, XoDos puts that power in your hands. It's free, open source, and constantly evolving with help from the developer community. If you're someone who enjoys tinkering or wants to push the limits of what Android can do, then XoDos is definitely worth trying.